Hello students, today we are going to start Standard 7th, Subject Maths, Chapter number 7, Joint Bar Graph. Practice set 31. As you have already studied in the previous class, the graph. So in this practice set 31, same thing we will study. Now see the first one. The number of saplings planted by a schools on World Tree Day is given in the table below. Draw a joint bar to show this figure. Now this the data is given to you. Let's see the data. Name the saplings. There are almond, karanj, neem, ashok, gulmohar. Name of school. Here they have given you the two names, Nutan Vidyalay and Bharat Vidyalay, right? In previous class, in 6th standard, we have already seen the only one data, right? So but here the two column is there. So let's see. The Nutan is of 40 and Bharat is of 42 trees were planted of almond. Okay, so in this way the number is given to you, numbers of tree. So first of all, what you will do, you will take a bar graph, you will take a graph paper, and then you will draw a x-axis and y-axis, and then you have to write origin O, and then you have to write scale. Scale on y-axis is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 10 saplings. Here they have taken 10 saplings. You can take 5 or you can start with 20 as your wish. Okay, so as you can see here students, this year 15 is there. So you have to take up to you have to start from 10 or 5, not from 20. Okay, because your lower number is 15 is this. Okay, and highest number is, as you can see here students, 72. So that means up to 80 you can take, but here they have already given you up to 100 only. So your wish, you can take up to 80 or you can take up to 100. From 10 you are starting, like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 up to 100. Okay, now how you will count? See, 10, after 10 11 come. So let me zoom and show you. See, as you can see here, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, right? So here 15 is coming, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So in this way you have to find the numbers in between here, right? So let's start. So as you can see, Nutan is of 40 and Bharat is of 42 trees, right? So how you will identify? Here see, I have they have done Nutan, the plain bar they will draw, and for Bharat Vidyalay they will shaded bar they will draw. Okay, so see here, in one row you have to take like 40, because Nutan Vidyalay is of 40 trees and same the Bharat Vidyalay is of 42 trees. Okay, shaded one. So as you can see here, 40 here, 41 and 42. Okay, so in this way you have to draw the two bars which connected to each other. Okay, of Nutan and Bharat Vidyalay. Same thing, Karanj we will see, that is 60 and 38. So 60 जो रहेगा वो आपका कैसा रहेगा, plain bar, and 38 will be shaded bar. So let's see, Karanj 60 is there, right? So up to 60 here they have taken, and 38 as you can see here, 30, see 30, same way 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37 and 38. Like this you have to draw 38. Same way you will see of Neem, Ashok and Gulmohar. Okay, so here we complete question number 1. But in this, the important thing you have to remember, you have to write this also, the numbers of saplings. Okay, that which you are deciding from here, the scale which scale you are taking, and then the name of sapling which already given in the data. Same thing you have to write here. Now second sum we will see. The table below shows the number of people who had the different juices at a juice bar on a Saturday and Sunday. Draw a joint bar graph for his data. Now your data is given to you, days Saturday and Sunday, and fruits of sweet lime, orange, apple and pineapple. Okay, so let's see. Same thing I will do. First of all, we will take the scale. How which scale you have to decide, which scale you have to take, you have to decide that. So again I will take scale of 10. Okay, so let's see here. Scale on y axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 customers. Okay, these all are customers, so we have starting from 10 table, like 10 customers. Okay, and for Saturday we have kept the plain bar graph, and for Sunday the shaded bar graph. So let's start. Again you will draw x axis and y axis, origin. Okay, here you will write the number of customers, and here fruit juice like sweet lime, orange, apple, pineapple. Okay, now sweet lime, let's see the sweet lime, 43 and 59. So let's start. 43. So after 40, 43 is coming. As you can see here, 40 is there, and now 43, 41, 42, 43. Here 43 is there. Same way next Sunday is of 59 customers. 59 customers आते हैं संडे के दिन, तो 60 के ही नीचे 59. Okay, same way you will take off orange. Orange Saturday is of 30, so same way 30 you will take, and of Sunday is 65. So 60, 61, 62, 63, 64 and 65. Same way you have to take the apple and pineapple. So in this way we complete the second sum. Same way now we will shift to third one. Let's see the third one. The following number of votes were cast at five polling booths during the Gram Panchayat elections. Draw a joint bar graph for his data. Your booth number is given, that first 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, up to 5 is there, and the person who will vote, men and women. So here the number of voted are given. In booth 1, how man has voted, 200 man has voted, women 700. In booth 2, in this way they have voted. And now let's draw the graph, then we will understand. So x axis and y axis. In y axis we will write the number of people, and here we will write the booth 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? Now we have to decide the scale, then only we will write the vertical y axis. So let's see. On y axis the 1 centimeter is equal to 100 peoples we have taken, because here the number is bigger, up to above 100 is there. So you can take from 100 table, 100, 200, 300, 400, in this way, right? So but now here let's see. As you can see here, 100, 150 in between and 120. That means 100, 110, 120, 130, 140 and 150. 160, 170, 180, 190 and 100, yeah, like 200. So in this way we have to count and see. So let's see the first one. The in first booth 200 and 700, right? So it is normally, so you can directly plot it. Okay, as you can see, the white one of male and the shaded one is of woman. So 270, so you can do it. We will see the second one, 270 and 240. Let's check it. First is 270. So here is 200, 110, 120, 130, 140. Sorry, 200 and 100, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, right? Now 260 and 270. right? So here 270 come. Same way, next woman is of 240. So 200, 210, 230, 240, as you can see here. So in this way you have to take the second booth name. Same way you have to do the third and fourth and fifth. Okay. So this is when we stop here. In the next video I will show you the next one.